my name is Shantae Lloyd, and I'm an executive ambassador with Total Life Changes, and we are so excited to introduce to you our new Beautiful You garment collection. We have 5 garments, female garments, and 1 male garment. These garments are going to make you look fabulous and feel fabulous. They are made of rubber, nylon, latex, and cotton, and you're gonna be so excited when you get a chance to see this new garment line. The difference between TLC garment line and the other garment lines that are out there in the market, our garment is a concealer. It's going to hide all of those imperfections that you have in your body. It's going to flatten your abdomen, pull in your waistline, lift your buttocks, slender your thighs, and give you great back support. We have the Demetra, which is one of our sexier garments. That is not going to be for the everyday woman. That is going to be for the woman who wants to be sexy, who has their abdomen area pulled in and flattened with a boy short penny attached to it. We have the Selena. The Selena is going to enhance what you already have in the buttocks area and flatten your abdomen area. We have the Isabella, which is known as the waist trainer. That is going to be a #1 seller. It's going to pour your waistline in and flatten your abdomen. We have the O'Fallon, which is our male garment. The men are going to be so excited when they see this garment. You step into it, it's going to flatten their abdomen. It's going to smooth out those love handles and give them awesome back support. We also have the Deneen, which is also going to flatten your abdomen area, smooth out those love handles on the side, pull in that waistline, lift your buttocks, and the good thing about the Deneen is it's strapless. And then we have our flagship garment, which is the Caprice, which is the one that I have on right now. That is the flagship garment because it's for every woman. It's a full garment. The straps do not come off. It's going to flatten your abdomen, pull in your waistline, slender your thighs, lift your buttocks, and give you awesome back support. The Deneen and the Caprice has a extra lining in the leg area to slender out your thighs, and it goes right underneath your buttocks. When you put it on, you have to make sure you put your left leg in first and your right leg, and it goes right underneath the buttocks area to accentuate the buttocks but slender out the thighs. In order to find out the correct size that you need, you're going to need a measuring tape. It's very important for you to measure yourself without any clothes on so you can get an accurate measurement. Ladies, you want to make sure you measure your thorax, your waist, and your hips. All the garments run a size small, so you always want to go up a size when you take your measurements. So for example, if you are 32 in the waist, then you would get a 34 in your garment line. Nothing gets a woman more excited than to go to an actual tea party or a reshaping line party and actually try on the reshaping garments. So when you have a reshaping party, you need to make sure you have one of each size, of one of each garment for everyone to try on. No one wants to come to a reshaping party and you don't have their size available. So it's so important for you to have one of each garment in each size so everyone can try a garment on. Remember, the more they try on, the more excited that woman is going to be or that man is going to be, the more money that you're going to make. So this is how you incorporate the new Beautiful You garment line with your tea parties. When someone comes over to your tea party, of course you have your products sitting out. You're excited. You welcome everybody for coming to the tea party. You tell them a little bit about yourself, why you decided to get involved with Total Life Changes, what got you excited about the business. And then before you get started with telling them the ways of getting paid, you want to choose a good model, someone in the audience that you know will be a great transformation. Someone that has some soft tissue, that they can be pulled in, and that abdomen area and their waistline could be flattened. And you also want to make sure that person has on the proper attire. You want them to have on a fitted dress or something that's tight so you can actually see the transformation. Give you a good little idea that I used to do when we used to have our parties. I would go to different stores, different thrift stores, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and I would purchase wrap dresses that are fitted, and I would have them in different sizes. They're very inexpensive. You can get them for $5, $10, $15. And when the person comes to your home party and they do a transformation, they're able to put on that dress and actually see the transformation. When you have the party, you get your model, you bring them up to the front of the room, and you don't want to embarrass them, but you want to show their imperfections. You actually want to have them face the audience to the front. You want to do a side view, and then you want to do a back view to show their imperfections. Ladies, the Beautiful You garment collection is not only going to make you feel fabulous, but it's going to make you look fabulous.